Most people think ayahuasca is just a hallucinogenic drug like LSD or mushrooms. What is the fundamental difference between getting high and sitting with medicine?
Well, it's very different now because the context, how you do it, the ritual behind everything that we do, no? Our sacrament, there is a ritualistic way of cooking where we are interacting and drinking our own sacrament while we are cooking, and we're singing to it, and we're putting our own energy into it, energy and intention of healing, calling upon, no, a spirit, the force of nature into the sacrament. So plants that are from the jungle, and it brings the force of the jungle, the spirituality, the tradition of being used of thousands of years. So in that sense, let's say it contains a spirit that is the most important. That's why ayahuasca is a context of a ceremonial, a spiritual ceremonial where we take this sacrament to commune with God. So in that sense, it's very spiritual and not recreational drug. So with the ayahuasca, to understand, everything is a spirit and information and energy. So as we are a spirit, information and energy, all the plants are a spirit, information and energy. So taking this sacrament like its form that is natural, we're communing directly with Mother Nature, directly to a spirit, because ayahuasca helps us open our consciousness, awareness, our mind, our senses, to see that we normally don't see, to perceive that we normally don't perceive. It can help us opening the heart to feel and understand the energy of God. So it's very different recreational drug than sitting down in a ceremony with your intention and purpose of connecting with the divine and receiving from there energy, healing, understanding, awareness.